Hi everyone, welcome to the hashtag Pirate Pretties Jewelry Challenge, where each month we have the birthstone to follow. This month is emerald, and our metals were either gunmetal or bronze. I chose the gunmetal slash hematite. The different places call different things, but they all look similar. And then another option was Celtic or crystal. I did not really do Celtic because I've done that already earlier in the year. And then the only other thing was I did use crystals though, Celtic or crystals. And the what we're supposed to make is earrings. I just made one pair of earrings. I did use real emerald graduated plain rondelles. I had gotten from jewelrymaker.com in a package like this, but these are a little smaller and they're faceted. The ones I used were plain 3x1 to 5x2, and I tried to use some of the middle ones, the larger ones. This is what I have left out of that pack. So those are real emerald rondelles. And then I had this pack of bead landing, it says chain, but it was actually 100 piece bindings. I just used the ear wires, the crimp beads, and the jump rings. And I had this charmed package of focals slash charms. There were 2 little dragonflies and 1 larger one. I just used the 2 little. I may make a matching little necklace. I haven't decided yet. Originally I was thinking of making a necklace, and then I realized we're supposed to make earrings. I also used some gunmetal plated brass square rounds, 3mm from Fire Mountain, and the number's H20-2017BB if you're interested. They add a little sparkle and a little break between the greens. Then these were from Fusion Beads when they still had their own website other than Amazon. And they're 6mm Swarovski bicones in emerald. And lastly, I had these were from Beadbox Bargains, Fancy Loop Links, gunmetal double-sided, and that was just in 2022 February, so I just used 2 of those. And I started off with well, first of all, gemstone beads have sometimes tiny holes, and I tried using like the fluorite green 49 strand from Softlex, but it was too thick, and I didn't have any thin other than this well, this is Acuflex copper colored, and I thought it was okay because none of it's going to show. But I started off with 4-inch lengths. This is also 49 strand, but it's not as thick as, it doesn't have as much of a coating on as Softlex does. It's still good wire though. So anyway, I started off with 4-inch. If you're going to make the earrings the way I did them, I recommend, I had to go to 6-inch because I couldn't, you're going to put your beads on and then crimp it like this, crossing over each other. I couldn't hold on to enough of it to do that, but I'll use them for something. Anyway, let me show you what I made. Here they are, and here's the Swarovski bicones, the little gunmetal plated brass squares, and then the rondelles are here, 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 and here. It was hard to match the colors up because and the sizes, because they vary. Now, when I first did this, excuse me, I thought about putting this in here, but I couldn't get it to lay in there right. It either was too far down or not far enough down with the right number of jump rings. So I just decided to put it up here, and that sort of has a Celtic look, but not entirely. It's not officially Celtic. But those are my earrings. So there's just a little crimp bead here that I squished with needle nose, chain nose, so I wouldn't break my Swarovski crystals. And the reason I use the crystals like that, and also down here, is to help keep the jump ring in place. And same here. There's a jump ring holding this on, and it won't go over the 6mm bicone, so it's not flip-flopping, sliding around and all that. And I also made sure the dragonflies are facing the opposite way. I could have had them facing in towards each other, but I chose to have them facing out, and they can fly around. So that is my make for the birthstone month of, what are we in? May. For emerald. I hope I got the right month with the right thing. But yeah, all these findings, the jump rings, the earrings, and the crimp bead came out of that Michael's bead landing thing. And then real emerald and emerald Swarovski crystal, which we're not supposed to say, Austrian crystal. But you know what? Like I've said before, I have a lot of it. I'm going to use it, and I might as well say what it is, because it is from Swarovski. It says it right on the package, right? I don't know if I can use that when I go to sell them, though, but they're really cute. I think they're cute. Do you think they're too long? Should I have left this off and just done the loop? That's another option. Just go from the ear wire right onto here. In fact, when I was doing the second one, I almost forgot to put this in, and then I realized, oh, I'm missing something. So yeah, that is another option for these. You can just leave this off and put the ear wire directly where the crimp bead is, and that works too. And then they're a little shorter. So let me know your preference, because these, let's see how long these are. Just a few minutes longer here. I don't want to keep you long. I know y'all don't like too long a video when it's not a tutorial anyway. But I pretty much told you how I did it. Okay, so the card is 4 inches. They are about 3 1/4 the way they are now. And without that, they would be 2 plus about a half, about 2 3/4. So you have an extra, basically ½ inch, whatever the size of this is. I should have just done that, right? Yeah, so without this, it would be about 2 3/4, and with that, it's about 3 1/4, roughly. All right, let me know your thoughts down below. I appreciate any likes if you like what I made. I will put plastic rubber backs on these ear wires, and yeah, I do have some other emerald. Emerald comes in more than green, by the way. There are other colors of emerald. Mostly we're used to seeing green, and this is the natural emerald in bead quality. Okay, all right, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and do come back again next month. I don't remember what the birthstone is for June. I think, is it pearl? Maybe I'm not sure. Go, please type in the hashtag or click on my hashtag in my title and see who else has participated. I know I have seen 3 others post already. Haven't seen Pirate Pretties post yet, but maybe she did. And I don't think I saw Metal Scrap and Chick post. So there's at least 5 or 6 of us posting on YouTube for this collab. So be sure to click on the hashtag and see what everyone else made for emerald earrings. Okay, bye for now.